Hi, I'm Ilana King. I'm a teacher. I've been in education for 25 years and in tutoring for about 11 years now. And I'm an entrance exam specialist. What does this actually mean? Well, it means that most of my students are trying to gain entry into some of the country's and London's top private schools, and I help them on that journey to success. And I'm really delighted that I'm going to be giving a talk, a CPD talk during the Love Tutoring 2 Festival in the next couple of weeks. In this talk, you're going to be able to gain a little bit more information and really understand what the entrance exam market is, why are parents so determined to get their children into these schools, and is there a place for you in that market? Could you become an entrance exam tutor? And if you decide to do that, what is the sort of information you need to know, and how can you help those students on their way to success? The reason I feel so strongly about this is because when I entered this market so many years ago, I was in a wilderness, it felt like, with no one to support me, nobody to ask questions, nobody to get information from. There was no training, and I kind of had to just feel my way. And that was a really tricky time in those early years. So I want to make sure that any other tutor who decides to go down this route gets that information, gets that head start they need to help them on their way. But mine isn't the only great talk at the Love Tutoring Festival. There are going to be some amazing speakers, and I'm so excited to be part of this. Whether you are a new tutor or you are in the business for a long time, there is definitely something to be gained by going along and listening to the expertise of all of the speakers who are coming together. I'm excited for it, and I really hope that you are too.